Hey, it's Commodore Connections with weather, news, and an interview. Now over to the weather.
This is Xavier Basham with the weather. Today will be thunderstorms, 79, 62. Tuesday, AM, thunderstorms, 80, 30, 63. Wednesday, partly cloudy, 82 and 63. Thursday, mostly cloudy, 82, 61. Friday, 7 showers, 79, 61. Hi, my name's Haven from Mr. Elliott's second grade class. I'll be asking him questions today. What is your name?
Seth Gilliam.
How do you feel about your meeting tomorrow?
I feel excited.
Are you going to play here at home?
No, Northeast Du Bois.
Good luck. Hi, my name's Haven. What's your name?
Corbin High.
What position do you play in football?
I play QB, and in defense, I play Sam linebacker.
Do you play here, like, close to home?
I live in Tell City, so not really.
How was Friday night's football game?
How was Friday night's football?
Well, it was our first game, so it was pretty nerve-wracking. We played Tell City.
Did you guys win or lose?
We won 26-0.
Hi, my name's Hayden. What's yours?
Seven Whistle.
What position do you play in football?
I'll play defensive end. I'll play linebacker. I meant lineman or defensive end.
Did you guys win or lose at the game?
We lost 16-0.
I hope you guys. What do you guys think you guys can do better on the next game?
Our offense should definitely step up a game.
Thank you. Hi, my name's Hayden. What's your name?
My name is Miss Megan Hagedorn.
What do you do here at Prairie Central?
I am a specials teacher. I teach art for the elementary.
How has your kids been so far?
They have been great this year. We've really enjoyed all the classes that I've had. It's been a lot of fun, and we did a new paint job in the art room, and so I think the kids really enjoy that. So far this year's gone really good.
Do you have a class spotlight yet?
Not for this week since it's Monday, so maybe your class will win.
Has some of them been a little bit wild in your class?
Well, so far everybody's done really well except for maybe one of my 5th grade classes. Those crazy 5th graders, they can get kind of wild and crazy and kind of loud.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Bryant, and I'm the teacher assistant in Mr. Elliott's class. And today for Commodore Connections, we're going to interview a few random kids in the hallway. What's your name, sir?
Trina Wilbur.
And yours?
Stratton Ritchie.
And
Logan
yours?
Hall, 762.
And what grade are you guys in?
4th grade. 5th grade. I mean 4th.
How do you guys like 4th grade so far?
Pretty awesome. No, awesome.
Who's your teachers?
Mrs. Brittany Taylor. Brittany Taylor.
Tim Taylor. All right, is there anything else fun that you guys want to add for the younger grades that might be looking forward to going to 4th grade?
Hope you have fun. Yeah, hope you have fun. Stay positive.
Thank you, boys. You can get back to class now.
Thank you. Awesome. Miss Garner, is your class being good this year?
They're trying. They're trying very hard to be good. I think we've got a road ahead of us, but they are working very hard and they are trying very hard for me.
Did you do anything over the summer?
Yes, I did. I helped put a pay. I worked in my garden a lot. We went to Nashville a couple of times because my husband's family's from Nashville. I swim a lot with my grandchildren. I went to all their ball games. I stayed very busy.
What do you like to do at the meantime when you're home? Meanwhile, when you're home?
I like to ride bicycles. I like to do crafts. I'm really involved with my church, so I do a lot of things for my church. I have hobbies. I like to ride horses. I like to ride bicycles. I swim a lot. I like to play with flowers. I do love to bake. I like to bake a lot of pies and cakes. I like to hang out with my grandkids. We went camping this year, and I'm not really a camper, but I was camping in our cow pasture, and it was a lot of fun until all the cows came to our tent and thought they were going to get fed. That scared me a lot. Thank you. Goodbye.
Mrs. Schwartz can be seen working on letters and sounds here in her classroom. Mrs. Bryan is working with a small group out in the hallway on letter sounds. Mrs. Novak works one-on-one with a kindergartner. Mrs. Stumler is working in a mini lesson with her class, and you can see the engagement. Over the summer, the library got a new makeover. New seats for comfortable reading. And that's this week's Commodore Connection. Until next week, keep sailing, Commodores, and have a wonderful weekend.